Will sneezing with your eyes open make them pop out? We've all heard the warning. If you force your eyes open while sneezing, the massive pressure will pop your eyeballs right out of your skull. But is this a biological reality? Or just an urban legend? To find the truth, we must understand the sneeze. It begins when an irritant, like dust, pollen, or a virus, invades your nasal cavity and tickles microscopic hairs called cilia. This triggers an SOS signal sent straight to the sneeze center in your brainstem, specifically the medulla oblongata. The brain instantly prepares a massive, coordinated muscular counterattack. You take a deep breath. Your vocal cords clamp shut. Then, your abdominal muscles contract violently. Air is forced out of your nose and mouth at speeds up to 100 miles per hour, expelling up to 100,000 droplets. With all that explosive pressure inside your head, couldn't it blow your eyes out? No. The respiratory system and the eye sockets are not directly connected by large, open-air tubes. Even if there was pressure, your eyes are secured by the extraocular muscles. These are 6 incredibly strong, specialized muscles that anchor your eyeball deep into the skull like a biological seatbelt. If our eyes won't pop out, why is it nearly impossible to keep them open? It comes down to an involuntary autonomic reflex. You simply don't have a choice. The culprit is the trigeminal nerve. This massive nerve network senses the tickle in your nose, but it sits dangerously close to the facial nerve, which controls your eyelids. When the brain fires that massive command to sneeze, the electrical signal is so incredibly strong that it spills over into the adjacent facial nerves, accidentally commanding your eyes to clamp shut. Evolutionary biologists also believe this is a defense mechanism. By closing your eyes, your body acts as a shield, preventing those 100,000 expelled germs and irritants from blowing right back into your sensitive eyeballs. So, can you actually force your eyes open? Yes. With enough conscious effort, or by physically holding your eyelids open, you can sneeze with your eyes wide open. And guess what? Your eyes will stay perfectly inside your head. So rest easy. Your eyes are bolted in, and sneezing is just a brilliantly messy survival reflex. Visit my channel